To transfer XRP from Crypto.com to Revolut, start by ensuring you have a Crypto.com account with XRP funds and a Revolut account with the ability to receive cryptocurrencies. First, log into your Crypto.com account and navigate to the Accounts page, where you can view your available XRP balance. Click on the XRP entry to access the Details page. Then click the Withdraw button to initiate the transfer process. On the Withdrawal page, select XRP as the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw and enter the amount you wish to transfer. You will need the XRP address of your Revolut account to proceed with the transfer. To find your XRP address on Revolut, log into your Revolut account and navigate to the cryptocurrency section. Select XRP and click on the Receive button to display your XRP address. You can copy this address to use in the Crypto.com withdrawal process. Return to Crypto.com and paste the XRP address from Revolut into the recipient address field. Make sure to double-check the address to avoid any errors. Additionally, you will need to enter the destination tag, which is required for XRP transactions. You can find the destination tag on Revolut by following the same steps as before to view your XRP address. The destination tag will be displayed below the address. Copy and paste this tag into the Crypto.com withdrawal form. After entering the recipient address and destination tag, review the transaction details, including the amount and any applicable fees. If everything is correct, confirm the withdrawal to initiate the transfer. The XRP transfer from Crypto.com to Revolut will be processed on the blockchain, and the funds will be available in your Revolut account once the transaction is confirmed. This process typically takes a few minutes, depending on the network congestion and the number of confirmations required by Revolut. It is essential to note that cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible, so it is crucial to double-check the recipient address and destination tag before confirming the withdrawal. Additionally, be aware of any applicable fees and the minimum withdrawal limits set by Crypto.com and Revolut. By following these steps, you can successfully transfer XRP from Crypto.com to Revolut, expanding your options for managing your cryptocurrency portfolio. Always prioritize security and accuracy when working with cryptocurrencies to ensure a smooth and successful transfer process.